you've got an if clause, if plus present simple and present simple. Because it's present simple, it's always true, always, forever. If it rains, you get wet. Always true. When you are working in the kitchen, if you cut your finger, present simple, if you cut your finger, blood drips from your finger. Present simple. It's always true. Present simple is always fact, always true. So the zero conditional, it's just, there's not one thing or the other. It's just always fact. If plus present simple plus present simple. For example, this sentence, if I eat too much, I feel bad. I get tummy ache. I don't feel so good. So if I eat too much, I feel bad. It's always true. If I don't get enough sleep, I feel tired. It's always true. It always happens every time. Before now, now, and after now. Always fact. If I don't get enough sleep, if you don't get enough sleep, you feel tired. So that was the zero conditional.